Hello everyone. In this video and the next, I will demonstrate Doenba edits editing and typesetting capabilities, including undo, redo, inserting inline math, figures, tables, footnotes, program code, LaTeX snippets, previews, and find and replace, adding level 2, level 3, and level 4 subsections, inserting bulleted lists, numbered lists, displayed equations and comments, applying bold, italic, and underlined formatting, cross-referencing, citation, and specification of LaTeX packages. I can click the Undo button to revert my recent keystrokes and the Redo button to reapply undone actions. I can click the Search and Replace button to locate a piece of text and replace it with another. To insert inline math at the cursor, click the Equation button on the toolbar to enter a pop-up window. Enter your math using LaTeX code, without including the math delimiters required in LaTeX. A preview appears beneath your input. If that is what you like, press Return to accept it. To add a block displayed equation directly beneath the cursor, start a new line, press / to open the drop-down menu, choose Equation, and enter your math the same way as for inline math. Press Return to accept it. Doenba will automatically generate a label for the equation to enable cross-referencing. You can also insert a LaTeX snippet to take advantage of advanced typesetting features supported by LaTeX, such as typesetting complex mathematical expressions. To do this, click the LaTeX icon to insert a LaTeX snippet below the cursor, which appears in its own box with a black background. Within that area, you may insert any self-contained LaTeX fragments exactly as you would in the main body of a LaTeX file. If you use certain LaTeX features provided by a specific package, you can specify that package on the referencing panel. For example, to typeset mathematics using symbols provided by the AMS Math package, click the Cross-Reference menu, select LaTeX package, click Add, enter /use package AMS Math in the pop-up window, and click Confirm. Here is a LaTeX snippet demonstrating how to typeset derivatives, partial derivatives as used in gradient descent, definite and indefinite integrals, double integrals, line integrals, and contour integrals. Here is the preview of the LaTeX snippet once it has been compiled. For viewers unfamiliar with typesetting mathematics in LaTeX, I'll demonstrate common LaTeX code for formatting mathematical expressions in separate videos. To insert a figure, start a new line and click the Image button on the toolbar. You have two options, Upload and Upload with LaTeX. Choosing the first option, you can enter a caption, upload a figure from your local hard drive, and preview the uploaded figure. If that is correct, click Confirm to accept it. The figure is inserted at the location of the cursor, and a label for the image is automatically generated. Choosing the second option allows you to set the figure's display size and provide some flexibility in positioning the image. After you upload a figure from your local drive, preview it and click Confirm to accept it. A LaTeX snippet will then appear in its own box with a black background. You can specify a preferred position, resize the displayed figure, and add a caption and a label. For example, you may set the placement parameters to !HTBP to request preferred image positions, attempting them in this order during compilation when possible. H places the image at the current location, T at the top of the page, B at the bottom, and P on a separate page. You may also change the line width from the default 80% to any desired percentage. The line width indicates a column's width and is automatically adapted to your single or double column setting. This displays a preview at 80% in both single and double column formats, while this one is at 60% in single and double column layouts. To add a table, click the table icon and select an option. There are 3 ways to insert a table. 1. Create with LaTeX. 2. Upload image. And 3. Upload image with LaTeX. Choosing Create with LaTeX inserts a LaTeX snippet beneath the cursor that contains a 2-row by 2-column table template. You can control where the table appears when printed by adjusting the placement parameters in the same way shown earlier, adjusting the number of rows and columns, filling each cell, providing a caption, and assigning a label for cross-referencing. Here is a preview of the 2-row, 2-column table template. Here is an example of a table I created for the ARA paper I'm writing. Here is the preview. For viewers not familiar with typesetting tables in LaTeX, I'll present in a separate video the common LaTeX code for creating a standard table and for a long table that spans multiple pages. Selecting the final two options is similar to inserting a figure, except that it places the table image in the LaTeX table environment rather than in the figure environment. The table is an image produced by external spreadsheet tools such as Excel. In Excel, beyond performing calculations, you can easily resize columns and rows, add vertical and horizontal borders, change fonts and sizes, merge or split cells, and align cell contents as desired. You can then set the print area, choose Print, and save the table as a PDF file. Open the PDF and use a screen capture tool to crop the table to a PNG image. Here is an example demonstrating the last option and its preview. That wraps up this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.